It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Brian Corcoran. I love today's question because a lot of us are informed from social media about things in life. And this question is from Josh in Plymouth. And he writes, I was injured by a defective appliance, and now I've just learned off social media that it was part of a product recall. What can I do?
Well, that depends upon whether or not you received notice of the product recall. I have to confess, I've received notices of these things, and sometimes I throw them in the garbage. I hate to admit that, but a lot of people do that. So that might be a problem with you. So what I would do is I would check on I think it's the Consumer Products Commission. It's a federal agency. They would have the model, and they'd be able to tell you if the nature of the defect, whether people were injured, and things like that. And maybe they'd be able to help you. Maybe you could write the company and work something out. It depends on the type of injury you received. A cut is different from like a third-degree burn or losing a finger or something like that. It depends. But we deal with products liability cases all the time, and that's what this is. It's a products liability case, and we file a lawsuit. We retain experts, so we do those all the time. And we'd be able to help you if you gave us a call.
Yeah, and a lot of times with those class action suits, if you get the notices and you read them, you're generally included in the class. So you really don't have a lot of action to do. The problem is, and this is true, the people that are part of the class usually don't get a lot of money from the class action settlements. Usually the lead plaintiff does, and then the attorneys seem to do pretty well on them. We do some class action work, but there's a lot of them. Between products liability, drug liability, there's a lot of different cases out there.
If you want your question answered, just visit the website or give the hotline a call.